Hi, this video is another problem involving work. So, Julia applies a force of 440 newtons to a 185 kilogram cart full of laptops down the hallway at a constant speed. She covers a distance of 32 meters. Determine the work done by friction on the cart during this time. So I'll start by drawing a picture. So we've got a heavy cart here being pushed by Julia. And she's pushing with a force of 440 newtons to the right. Okay. And it says that she moves 32 meters down. That's her distance. And it says that the cart has a mass of 185 kilograms. I don't know if that'll be important yet. What we want to know is how much work is done by friction. Okay, friction is not given to us in this example, but we know there must be some kind of frictional force acting against the motion here. Otherwise, Julia would be pushing this cart and it would be speeding up and getting faster if there was no friction. However, friction is balancing her pushing force. We know that because the cart is moving at a constant speed, then we know that all the forces are balanced. Constant speed means no acceleration. And so that means the net force is 0. If we add up the 440 and the frictional force, it should be 0. Therefore, the frictional force must be negative 440. So we know the force should be 440 newtons. And we know the distance from the word problem. It says that the cart goes a distance of 32 meters. Now, work is not a vector. We're not including the direction yet. We'll think about positive and negative at the end. So work 440 times 32. Do that in my calculator here. You get 14,080. I'll just round that to an even 14,000. 14,000 joules for the work done. Now, this work done is negative because we're talking about the work done by friction. And so because this is the work done by friction, the frictional force is acting in the opposite direction that the cart is actually moving in. The cart is moving to the right, the friction is acting to the left. And so anytime the force that's acting on the object is in the opposite direction of what direction the object's actually moving in, the work done is going to be negative on the cart. So the negative work here is removing something from the cart. It's not letting it go as fast as it normally would. So that's all I've got for you in this video. Remember, habit is the battleground of character.